Not all Hondas are created equal. Some will run forever with basic maintenance, 400,000 miles, 500,000 miles, even beyond. But others? They're ticking time bombs waiting to fail at 150,000 miles, no matter how well you take care of them. And the worst part? Most people don't know which is which until it's too late. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I've worked on thousands of high-mileage Hondas. I've seen which models consistently hit astronomical mileage, and which ones consistently end up in the scrapyard with blown engines or dead transmissions. Today, I'm exposing the 5 Honda models that will absolutely hit 400,000 miles if you maintain them right, and the 3 models you should avoid if you want long-term reliability. Some of these might surprise you. The most popular Honda model didn't even make the good list. Stick around, because if you're shopping for a used Honda or wondering if your current one will last, this video could save you thousands of dollars. Let's get started. The 5 Honda models that will hit 400,000 miles. Let's start with the winners, the Honda models that are practically bulletproof. These are the cars I recommend to anyone who wants maximum reliability and minimum repair costs over the long haul. Number 5. 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord 2.4-liter engine. Coming in at number 5, the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine. This generation Accord is a tank. The 2.4-liter K24 engine is one of Honda's most proven powertrains. No turbo, no direct injection, just a simple, reliable engine that runs forever. I've personally seen dozens of these Accords cruise past 300,000 miles without major issues. Many are pushing 400,000 miles right now. Why it lasts? The K24 engine has a timing chain, not a belt, so no expensive replacements needed. The automatic transmission is a traditional 6-speed, not a CVT. It's proven and durable. The suspension, brakes, and electrical systems are straightforward and easy to maintain. What to watch for? Oil consumption after 200,000 miles. Some K24 engines start burning a quart every 2,000 miles. Not a deal breaker, just top it off. VTC actuator noise on cold starts. It's annoying but usually harmless. Maintenance tip: change the oil every 5,000 miles with 0W20 synthetic. Change the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. That's it. Do that, and this Accord will outlast almost anything on the road. Number 4. 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V 2.4-liter engine. Number 4 is the second generation CR-V, specifically 2002 to 2006 models. This is the era before Honda started adding complexity. These CR-Vs are simple, rugged, and nearly indestructible. The same 2.4-liter engine, an earlier version of the K24, powers this SUV, and it's just as reliable. I know taxi drivers and delivery companies running these CR-Vs well past 400,000 miles. Some are approaching 500,000 miles. Why it lasts? Simple, naturally aspirated engine with a timing chain. Durable automatic transmission that rarely fails if you change the fluid. Solid suspension with minimal electronic components to brake. What to watch for? Rust on the rear subframe if you're in the rust belt. Check underneath before buying. A C compressor, failures around 150,000 miles. Not a huge deal, about $600 to replace. Valve cover gasket leaks. Easy DIY fix for $30. Maintenance tip: change the oil every 5,000 miles. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Keep it rust-free. That's all it takes to hit 400,000 miles. Number 3. 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic 1.8-liter engine. Number 3 is the 8th generation Civic with the 1.8-liter R18 engine. This is the Civic's golden era for reliability. No turbo, no CVT on most trims, no complicated emissions equipment. Just a basic, efficient sedan that refuses to die. I've worked on countless Civics from this generation with 300,000 plus miles. Many of them are still running strong with original engines and transmissions. Why it lasts? The R18 engine is incredibly simple and proven. It's basically bulletproof if you maintain it. The 5-speed automatic transmission is durable and well-engineered. Parts are cheap and plentiful. Everything is easy to fix yourself. What to watch for? Cracked engine mounts around 150,000 miles. You'll feel vibration at idle. Front brake calipers can seize. Inspect them during brake jobs. Clear coat peeling on black and dark blue models. Cosmetic only, doesn't affect reliability. Maintenance tip: change the oil every 5,000 miles with 5W20 synthetic. Replace the timing chain tensioner at 200,000 miles as preventative maintenance. Follow that, and you'll hit 400,000 miles without breaking a sweat. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. It's a game changer. Number 2. 2003 to 2008 Honda Pilot 3.5-liter V6. Number 2 might surprise you, the first-generation Honda Pilot. This SUV is a workhorse, big, comfortable, and built to last. The 3.5-liter V6 engine in this generation is one of Honda's most reliable powertrains ever. It's smooth, powerful, and ridiculously durable. I've seen pilots from this era with 350,000 to 400,000 miles still towing trailers and hauling families without complaint. Why it lasts? The J35 V6 is overbuilt. It handles stress, heat, and heavy loads without issue. The 5-speed automatic transmission is proven. With proper fluid changes, it lasts forever. The body and frame are robust. These pilots can take a beating. What to watch for? VTM4 4WD system maintenance. Change the rear differential fluid every 30,000 miles. Timing belt replacement at 105,000 miles. This is mandatory. Do not skip it. Transmission cooler line leaks. Inspect regularly and replace if needed. Maintenance tip: change engine oil every 5,000 miles. Replace the timing belt at 105,000 miles. Change transmission and differential fluids every 60,000 miles. Do this, and your Pilot will hit 400,000 miles and keep going. Number 1. 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord 4-cylinder models. And the number 1 Honda that will hit 400,000 miles, the 6th generation Accord, 1998 to 2002 models with the 4-cylinder engine. This is the most reliable Honda ever built, period. The F23 engine in this generation is legendary. I've personally worked on Accords from this era with over 500,000 miles. Still running, still reliable. Why it lasts? The F23 engine is simple, non-interference, and nearly indestructible. It just runs. The automatic transmission is bulletproof if you change the fluid. Every single part is cheap, available, and easy to replace. What to watch for? Rust if you're in the snow belt. These cars are old, and rust can take them out before mechanical failure. Ignition switch failures. Recall was issued, most are fixed by now. Valve cover, gasket leaks. $20 DIY fix. Maintenance tip: change the oil every 5,000 miles. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. This generation needs it more often. Replace the timing belt every 100,000 miles. That's it. This Accord will outlast you if you maintain it right. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. The 3 Honda models that won't hit 400,000 miles. Now let's talk about the dark side, the Honda models that consistently fail before 200,000 miles. These are the cars I tell people to avoid, or at least go into with eyes wide open. Number 3. 2016 to 2019 Honda Civic 1.5T engine. The turbocharged Civic ranks third on the avoid list. I know, everyone loves the 1.5T Civic. It's fun, efficient, and modern, but it has a fatal flaw: oil dilution. The 1.5T engine suffers from fuel washing into the oil, especially during short trips in cold weather. This dilutes the oil, reduces its protective properties, and causes premature wear. Honda issued software updates and extended warranties, but the problem isn't fully solved. What goes wrong? Oil dilution leads to accelerated engine wear. Piston rings, cylinder walls, and bearings suffer. Turbocharger failures around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Replacement costs $2,000 plus. Fuel injector issues. Direct injection means carbon buildup and expensive cleaning. Can you make it last? Yes, but it takes extra work. Change your oil every 3,000 miles if you do short trips. Take weekly highway drives to burn off fuel contamination. Monitor oil level and smell religiously. Even with perfect maintenance, these engines are risky past 200,000 miles. Number 2. 2015 to 2019 Honda CR-V 1.5T engine. Number 2 on the avoid list is the 5th generation CR-V with the 1.5T engine. Same engine, same problems as the Civic. Oil dilution, turbo failures, expensive repairs. But it's worse in the CR-V because owners use them harder. Towing, hauling, road trips. The 1.5T engine wasn't designed for that kind of abuse, and it shows. What goes wrong? Same oil dilution issue as the Civic. AC compressor failures around 80,000 to 100,000 miles. $1,200 to replace. Infotainment system glitches and failures. Not engine related, but expensive and annoying. Can you make it last? Again, yes, but with heavy maintenance, frequent oil changes, no short trips. Monitor everything closely. But even then, getting past 250,000 miles is questionable. Number 1. 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord V6 with automatic transmission. And the number 1 Honda to avoid, the 2003 to 2007 Accord V6 with the automatic transmission. This breaks my heart to say, because the V6 Accord is fast, smooth, and fun to drive. But the transmission is a disaster. Honda's 5-speed automatic transmission in the V6 Accords from this era is notoriously unreliable. Failures happen between 80,000 and 150,000 miles, sometimes earlier. What goes wrong? Transmission slipping, hard shifts, and complete failure. The problem is internal: worn clutches and a poorly designed torque converter. Replacement cost: $3,000 to $4,500, often more than the car is worth. Can you make it last? Maybe if you're lucky. Change the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. Avoid aggressive driving. Pray. But honestly, this transmission is on borrowed time from day one. If you own one, budget for a transmission rebuild. It's not if, it's when. Why these models failed? So why did Honda, the king of reliability, build cars with these issues? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Cost cutting. The 2003 to 2007 V6 transmission was built to a price point. Honda tried to save money and it backfired. Reason 2. New technology growing pains. The 1.5T engine was Honda's first mass-market turbo. They didn't fully account for real-world driving conditions. Reason 3. Emissions regulations. Direct injection and turbos help meet EPA standards, but they add complexity and failure points. Honda learned from these mistakes. Newer models are better, but if you're buying used, avoid these problem years. How to pick a high-mileage Honda. If you want a Honda that'll hit 400,000 miles, follow this checklist. Rule 1. Choose naturally aspirated engines over turbos. Simple engines last longer, fewer parts, fewer problems. Rule 2. Avoid CVT transmissions if possible. Traditional automatics are more durable. CVTs are fine for 150,000 miles, but questionable beyond that. Rule 3. Buy the right generation. Not every Accord or Civic is equal. Do your research on specific model years. Rule 4. Check maintenance history. A well-maintained problem model can outlast a neglected bulletproof model. Rule 5. Inspect for rust. Even the best engine won't help if the frame is rotting away. Follow these rules, and you'll find a Honda that'll last forever. Final thoughts. Honda makes some of the most reliable cars on the planet, but not every Honda is bulletproof. If you want 400,000 miles, stick with proven models. The 2013 to 2017 Accord, 2.4 liters. The 2002 to 2006 CR-V. The 2006 to 2011 Civic, the 2003 to 2008 Pilot V6, and especially the 1998 to 2002 Accord. And avoid the problem children, the 2016 to 2019 Civic 1.5T, the 2015 to 2019 CR-V 1.5T, and the 2003 to 2007 Accord V6 Automatic. Choose wisely, maintain properly, and your Honda will outlast anything else on the road. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.